All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Sharp by Design in the house. Welcome back. Let's check this bad boy out. But first of all, let me say a massive thank you to my buddy Tim. He's sending these bad boys along. And also a massive shout out to Clark, because if you know, you know. Legendary figure and really amazing person. Very grateful to be knowing this guy. He's spectacular. So thank you. Second of all, I want to say check out fablades.com. See what is going on there. We have a consignment program there that's going on there. You can send us your knives, fidget toys, and we're going to take care of the sale, of the listings, of everything. And you're just going to get your money back. So don't worry about anything. Just send it to us and we are going to do it. Anyways, inside this hard case, we have a Sharp by Design T10, which means, bam, this is a Typhoon 10th year anniversary. It is 10 years from the initial design of the Typhoon. Big knife, check this out. This has a trick up its sleeve. Look at the etched fuller. Yeah, this is a pretty cool one. It's a custom knife. It is very expensive for sure, but it is a unique one. Let's go out and check some dimensions here. What are we talking about? We have a 4-inch blade, 5-inch handle. 4 plus 5 is 9, almost 9. And since we're here, why don't we check out the weight as well? Great action, by the way. This bad boy is weighing in at 4.33 ounces. So, average weight. Titanium frame lock. It has all the classic features of Brian Nadeau's Typhoon, made by Sharp Design. So, look at the hues in the carbon fiber inlays, which I have to say, it's there's two things that I'm not a super fan of. There's a tiny little bit of a gap on the inlay. It's not like perfectly flush. I mean, it's flush, but there's a tiny little bit of a gap here. And let's get it out of the way. Some other thing that I'm not a fan of is just this part over here of the knife. It's too bowy. I'm more like a drop point kind of guy, so I feel it's kind of missing a chunk here, but still, nonetheless, the execution of this etched fuller, it is pretty cool, I have to say. It is, of course, on the back as well. The inlay on the back acts as an over-travel lock bar stabilizer, as well as the stainless steel lock face insert, you see? So double stabilization for that lock bar. I really like the pocket clip. It's stiff. I really like the 3 kind of like vented cuts for the lock bar. You have some numbering on the inside. I believe this is says 14. Typhoon 10, T10, 10th year anniversary for the custom knife from Brian Nadeau. Custom pivots, sleek design, the shape, it's pretty cool. Handle, it's iconic. It's a Typhoon. I like the raised shoulder on around the pivots, both sides, gives more strength. Single screw body construction, going through the backspacer in titanium and snagging that pocket clip. So the pocket clip is with a hidden hardware configuration. Stainless steel lock face insert is screwed in from the outside and has a detent ball ramp, detent ramp, not really a ball, built in into the actual detent that then just snags onto the hole on the blade. Pointy flipper tab that just continues the shape of the handle at this point and then abruptly goes down. It's not jimped. Just the blade is jimped, but this works as a light switch or as a push button, but it's kind of pointy and sharp, so not really recommended, but the jimping is absolutely functional. Signature sharpening choil going around the flipper tab that just hides that design when in the closed position. Vented satin titanium pocket clip matching the satin finish on the blade. I love satin blades, especially with etched fullers. Clack. Listen to this. Clack, clack. Double clutch, almost action. Clack, clack. And click. Very dry. Beautiful sound. I could do this every day. Smooth action, of course, runs on bearings. It's a little tight, but of course there's zero blade play. Just a gentle nudge will get your blade closed. Couple screws are holding together the inlay. You can see the milling lines on the titanium. Let's get intimate with this knife. Check out the hues of purple, very subtle, on the layers of carbon fiber. Carbon fiber and titanium is one of my favorite combinations of materials. I love them. Really, really cool. Titanium spacer, titanium clip. It's a very nice and contrasty look with the carbon fiber. Keeps the weight low, adds that pizzazz that we all love. Check this out. Sharp by Design Brian Nadeau Typhoon T10 or Typhoon 10 or T10. Up to you. Captive pivot, nice weight. It's a big knife, but in the hand it feels just gorgeous. It's all absolutely rounded off. There is no internal skeletonization on the frame, just solid slabs of titanium. The weight reduction comes from the pockets milled for the allocation of the carbon fiber inlays. I love this pivot, one of my favorite pivot designs. You need a spanner, sure, and you need two different torque screws, I believe, for the inlays and for the handle. They look to me a little bit different. I didn't disassemble this one. There's not going to be any disassembling for this bad boy. It might come up on the site, so stay tuned and check what is going on also on Fablades. Sometimes I forget to remind you to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, because you know, YouTube likes if you do this kind of stuff, and it helps a little bit. To be honest, you know, I'm not becoming rich making these videos. I'm just doing because of my passion for knives. YouTube doesn't really like knife reviews because, I don't know, because YouTube has no passion for knives, but we do. And that helps. If you like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. If you do all these kind of things, because I see many people are watching, but they're not subscribed. And that would help, for sure, me getting more knives so I can share them with you. And you can enjoy these beauties, these rarities that are often seen, not very often seen on YouTube, because they're expensive, guys. These are over 2,000 bucks. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.